Hello, I'm going to demonstrate the use of the Diagun X431 in the OBD2 mode, sometimes referred to as the generic mode. Now, this is a Maserati 3200 GT, 2001 in the year. It's not on the list of manufacturers listed on the Diagun. However, there is a small fault, an engine management light is showing, so we're going to attempt to clear it using the generic OBD2 function. Now, we have two boxes, you might recall, but the yellow box is not needed. That's the one where you have the adapters and leads for pre-OBD connector type cars, usually pre-1997. The only one we'll need today is the red box. Okay, so just like to follow me and I'll see you in the car.
Hello again. Well, we're in the Maserati now, and we have a fault on this. We have the engine management light on, and it's staying on during driving. So what we're going to try to do is clear it using the X431 Diagun. All we need at the moment is the red box. So we'll just open it up, and I'll show you inside the red box we have a 3-pin UK plug, printer cable, USB cable, diagnostic cable, and an extension cable for using the Bluetooth transmitter in awkward positions. But on a Maserati it's easy to get at, so we don't need any of these. There's also a charger unit there. So I'll just take out the Bluetooth transmitter, and we'll take out the main Diagun unit there. Put the box over there. Right, we don't need the main unit for a moment. What we need to do is to plug this into the OBD connector of the vehicle. Now on a Maserati it's just under the dash. So I just plug it in. Make sure the ignition's off first, and then just plug it in. Yeah. Now we can switch the ignition on. Now I'll just show you the problem we got actually. The orange warning light shows a picture of an engine. Now that is meant to go off when we're driving. Let's have a look. Now the engine's running, but there's that warning light still on. Okay, I'll switch the engine off now. Right. Now this is the main unit, and it's got a little stylus there we can pull out. It's a touch screen. So before I put it on, what I'll do, I'll just put the ignition on now. Remember, it's still plugged in, our little Bluetooth transmitter. I'll then press the top button of this main unit. That activates it. It powers itself up, shows X431 Diagun on the screen. Then another screen comes up which invites you to calibrate the screen. We've already calibrated it, touching each corner. So I leave that disappear for a moment. Then it comes up with a blue screen, which is the typical laptop type PC screen. Anyway, there's cable, Bluetooth, recital bin, or my device. I'm going to select Bluetooth, because that's what we're using. There we are, just click it. Now, on the screen comes up all the manufacturers. Now we've got 12 on that page. Next page is 24, 36, 48, there are 59. So none of the manufacturers are listed, are showing Maserati. So if we go back to the first page, I did spot OBD2. Here we are, OBD2, which is generic. So we're going to use the generic version to fix this particular vehicle. So if I just highlight that, press OK, version 22.05, press that, press OK. It then analyzes it and takes a few moments. So you just wait a moment. This is Bluetooth, don't forget, so you can use it from a range of about 30 meters, about 100 feet. So you can go to the office and do it, but we'll just sit in the car. I suspect this warning light has come up because the car has been stop-started a few times. Let's have a look. We've got various options here. We've got a PWM mode, VPW, or a fast mode, an address mode in ISO, and a CAN bus mode. I'm trying to do a fast mode on this one actually. Just try the manual fast mode. You've heard a few clicks. We're into the system now. So it says read trouble codes. Okay, read trouble codes. Generic. It gives you a list of manufacturers. This is generic, Maserati. There you go. Read current DTCs. Let's have a look what it says. Here we are, the problem. They come in codes, manufacturer's codes. So you can easily contact the manufacturer and ask what a particular code means. This is U1600, P1507, and P0115. Now I understand that U1600 is something to do with the lambda sensors. So it's probably all just a bit clogged up and the exhaust needs a bit of a run. Engine coolant temperature sensor, possibly it's just been stopped and it's knocked one of the fault warnings out. So anyway, let's just return a moment, and then return again, and then clear trouble codes. It says, do you want to clear the trouble codes? Yes, clear the trouble codes. And then it says, DTCs have been cleared, okay. Now let's go and read trouble codes again. Generic, read, I'll just click that, and now it says no fault found. So in theory it's gone. So let's just return this all the way back to, it does other systems as well, but we'll turn it all the way back, all the way back to the main page, and then back to there, and we can switch it off. Let's switch it off by keeping the button pressed in. Turn the ignition off. Take out the Bluetooth transmitter. Right, we'll just see if the warning light's gone out. We'll start the engine. There we are, all warning lights out. Okay, thanks very much. Bye.